Hello, friends. Welcome to the Talk with Toppers session from EduCARE. And we have today with us Jayaditya Vyas from Ahmedabad, and he has got 98.41 percentile in Law 5-year CET. So, congratulations, Jayaditya. How do you feel now?
Thank you so much, sir. I'm very elated, to be honest, because this whole journey has been phenomenal, from the start of the exam when I just had 15 days to prepare for MAH CET, and now the whole wait for the result, the result kept getting delayed, and to have such a great result, it's really fun.
Great, great. So, how was the reaction? What was the reaction of your family when they got to know you have got such a high score?
Right. So the thing was that my family weren't expecting an extremely high score, given that I had just 15 days to prepare for this exam, and it was a very long drawn out process, as said right now. So when I told my mom, she was really excited and she got extremely happy because she wasn't expecting such a high rank as well. And given I had no coaching and nothing like that, so everyone around my family and my friends as well, they were extremely happy for me.
Great. And it is a great achievement after hearing to you because I guess you have had very short duration with you for preparing law CET, 5 years law CET, right? So,
Right.
can you tell the audience or us, okay, what was your strategy for preparing law CET?
Right. So when I was talking specifically about MHCT for law, and if I combine SLAT as well, because there are a lot of common elements in both the papers. So my strategy was solving as many mocks as I could. And because I had no coaching center near me for MHCT, I exclusively relied upon the material that was given for free on YouTube. So I watched as many videos as I could. I found out what my weak spots were, analyzed my mocks and watch videos specifically catered to those areas.
Great, great. And for how many hours did you study, Jayaditya?
I studied, I think, 4 hours in a day.
4 hours in it. Okay. That's great achievement. Okay, so the my next question is, Jay, what attracted you to the law profession or this particular career?
Right. So there are quite a few inspirations I have around me, which have drawn me towards this field. So first of all, my maternal grandfather, he was in the CRPF, but before that, he got his BA LLB degree. So what I've seen is, even though he was in the armed forces, he was successfully able to use his law degree because he was aware of what the law is, and he used that to cater to those around him, and he used law as a medium to help those around him. So for me, always community upliftment and betterment has been one of my core philosophies in which I believe in. And I think by looking up to him from the circumstances that he came from and how he has been able to use law in such a different field from what law really is. So I think that was a very big inspiration from me. And apart from that as well, my mama's son, he's currently pursuing his LLM from Queensway University in London, his LLM.
Great,
So he's always been almost like a father figure for me. He's an elder brother, but given our age difference, the way he's catered to all of us and the affection he's shown to us, so we are really close to him. So, given that he's one of the most elder brothers in our family, I always looked up to him, and the way that I see he speaks with others and the way he's able to deal with situations. So, all of this seemed really fascinating to me, and the field he was in as well. And I've seen the documents he's dealing with and the things he's studying. So that was one of the sources of inspiration as well.
great. Okay, and now what is the message that you want to convey to the aspirants, those who are preparing for the next upcoming law CT exam?
Right. So I think one of my biggest messages would be uh, do not blame yourself for your faults. Give it your best. There will be mistakes, there will be hurdles. And I think it's important that you make mistakes because only when you make mistakes, you'll be able to realize what your weak spots are. And when you correct them, you can turn your weak into one of your best strengths. And whenever you're studying, make sure, because even I am not a person who can sit at a stretch for more than 2 hours. And I've studied only for a minimum of 4 hours, and I could not study more than 6 hours ever. So what I would say is don't study for long. But while you're studying, make sure you're giving 110% during that time. There should be no distractions at that point of time.
Perfect. Perfect. That's great. Chalo, badhiya. So, thank you, Jayaditya, for being with us. And we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors from EduCARE family and from personally myself, Prakash Galande. So, whenever you happen to come to Mumbai, please visit our branch and
For sure, sir.
we'll have a word. Okay? Fine.
Of course,
All
of
the
course.
best. Thank you very much, Jayaditya.
Thank you so much. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye.
Bye bye.